How to get verified on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get verified on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Instagram and then you're going to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. You'll be redirected to your profile. So first, you need to make sure that your account is legit. If it is, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. You'll be redirected to settings and activity. Here at the search bar, you're going to simply search for verified and you'll be able to see an option of meta verified, and you'll be able to see some other options such as request verification, verification selfie, advertisers that you've seen, audience-based advertising. So you're going to click on meta verified over here and then you'll be able to see some plans of verifications. So we have business standard, we have business plus, we have business premium, business max. So it will give you the blue tick mark along with some benefits. As you move right on the subscription plans, you'll be able to see your benefits increase. So you can review all of the benefits throughout. So you're going to simply click on claim your offer once you have selected it. So you can pay using the same method that you have added on your Google Play Store or App Store. And once you have done, you'll be able to see that your first week is free. If you'd like to cancel it, you can within the first week. And after that, you'll have to pay the amount that is listed over here. So that is how you can get verified on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.